H2O! 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 H2O!
Hey, what's up guys, Merv here, and we are here in Ocean City. And obviously the first place we have to be is the Cruz-N wash. So, got here buddy Kyle, is Integra. Got Chris. Of course you know Chris.
Yo, the machine takes dollars or quarters.
There's a bunch of Honda kids just sending it. Oh, hello. Got some really nice, got a Suvi, got a Volkswagen CC, very nice. That is really cool. I like this. Oh yeah? Oh, it feels so good to be back here guys. Ocean City, it's amazing. Love it here. And it's very early into the week, so obviously it's not that busy here, but it will be the next couple days. Alright guys, so this is where we're going to be staying basically for the next couple days. We're staying here, this nice little, you know, hotel. But yeah, it's not much, but it does the job. Most of the time we're going to be spending is outside anyways, so yeah, not too shabby. And the best part about it is this. Oh. There's little Chris, about to fall asleep looking ass. Hey! Whole squad is here.
Hello.
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 Have a water.
How are you, buddy?
Water. Alright, I'll be right back.
He's literally saying fucking tourists.
Hello.
Hey, Chris. Your Civic is nice, parking like fucking street, bro.
I know, eh?
Should talk to the camera.
Journal. Comme qu'ils disent en français.
Ok, ça part.
Hi!
Well, since my Fiesta isn't here, I'm using the rental. This Dodge Ram with the Hemi in it. Let's go, gonna cruise the strip in the pickup. I'm gonna be following my buddy Chris and these other goons. The guy in the RX-7, 350Z on bags, and Kyle's Integra on bags as well. Should be pretty lit. Yo, I legit feel like a giant next to these slam cars. It's hilarious. Hey, Monsieur Cruz.
It's holding by 10.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, man?
I want to be
STI?
like A.T. Merv 514. Ok, laisse faire.
Teamwork?
Marchera pas.
Oh, oh.
Il est là le problème.
Le problème, c'est qu'est-ce qui est dans l'air.
En ce moment. Pas de roue.
I did not lie. I did shave my spindle.
Yeah, I'm definitely rubbing something off of here.
Oi, 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 oi.
Non, non, recule un peu. Recule. Ok, wow. Lève la lip. Et avance, avance. Inquiète-toi pas, il n'y a même pas de scratch.
Hey, monsieur, how come you're not filming this? Eh?
I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm on my phone. I'm listening. I'm making you the content.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm quitting. Fuck this.
So that small cruise that we did on the strip was to meet up with this STI. It's having some electrical issues, so we're trying to get it on the trailer right now, and got a lot of help going on with that.
It's all Sir Merv's fault.
Parce que j'ai de la place.
Ah, il est légal des deux bords.
Ok, non, il n'y a pas de
Tourne, tourne. La tire droit. Ça va quitter ça. Si on le baisse,
Par le câble.
tu l'as.
Hey, Nick, c'est non le char.
Hey, si quelqu'un pilé sur le trailer, ça va le descendre. Quelqu'un de.
Elle va embarquer, ça va.
Non, mais l'autre bord.
Ça va le faire tout seul.
Holy fuck.
Ça y va tout seul. Ça s'appelle du flip.
Ça va être dur en arrière. Pas de chat. Oui, ça va être dur en arrière.
Tranquillement. La voie passe-tu?
On va, ouais.
C'est la belle.
Challenge, gars.
Tranquillement.
Le vent, c'est correct?
Ouais, ça passe.
T'es dessus, t'es correct.
All the way, you got it. C'est bon.
Go, go, go. par là, tranquille.
Ouais, pas trop.
Vitesse, tranquillement. Droite un petit peu.
Mets-toi droite.
C'est bon.
Ah, il fallait qu'il filme.
Alright guys, that's it for me. I am gonna be wrapping up tonight's vlog. The first night, Ocean City. It's been crazy, but I'm extremely tired. Been up for over 30 hours, so I need some sleep. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.